Oh, hi. My name is Harris. I am the designer of Fluffyface. I made Fluffyface because I wanted to enter the IKEA plush toy contest. Sorry. Fluffyface is unique because he is a sun with legs and no arms and a smiley face and eyes. He likes to stop bullying and keep peace because he's a simple guy and hurting others is not okay. Hurting others is not okay. He likes to stand up for children. If bullies don't stop when he tells them in a nice way, he will go tell an adult he knows. Please vote for Fluffyface every day through November 22nd to keep him in the top 15. Goodbye.